In this episode, we want to share why short form videos are great for your business and why you should start doing them today. Hi, I'm Roy Garcia from Repurpose.io. Let's get started. Short form videos produce high engagement rates. Video engagement is defined as how people respond to your video. It can be a comment, share, or even watching just a few seconds of your video. Short form content exposes your brand to a larger audience because it's short, easy to watch, and quick to share. The more people share, the greater the potential of your market to follow your brand. Eventually, you will begin to see your engagement statistics increase. Social media channels like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, and Instagram Reels will push your content to a broader audience because of more engagement. Your content helps grow their platform, and there is a hungry market ready to consume your videos. Now here's a tip. The first 3 seconds of your video are the most crucial. Ensure that the value you deliver is evident in your first 3 seconds. And then watch your rates increase and people won't scroll past your video. And by the way, make the first 3 seconds about them, not about you. Short form videos let you focus on one message. In 2021, 50% of people who watch videos under 1 minute watch till the end. Short videos forces you to focus on one central point, thus makes your video intentional. Is it to inform? Is it to educate? Is it to sell? Whatever your goal may be, short form videos let you speak directly to the person you intend to reach using specific words that gravitate to them. You can cut your message into bite-sized chunks delivered to each video. If you do this, your target audience won't be overwhelmed. The result, you convey a more straightforward message to a specific audience to execute one call to action. One message, one goal, one focused call to action. Short, sweet, and direct to the point. Short form videos have an extensive user base. There's a high demand for short form video content. Let's take TikTok for example. TikTok has an estimated 800 million users worldwide and still counting. So imagine the potential of being discovered by an extensive user base. Now think about the people who will purchase your products. How about the audience that you hope to serve through your services? And because TikTok users are glued to their phones, you have a focused captured market with more than 1 million video views per day. Yes, per day. Because of TikTok, other platforms have spurred their versions of short videos. Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook Reels give you more opportunities to promote your brand to new audiences front and center. Can you picture it now? The growth potential is astronomical. So please, take advantage of it, or your competition will. Short form videos result in a better return of investment. Short form video is ideal for expanding your market and getting your message across. It can get people's attention and make them pay attention. And it's backed up by research. In a recent study by socialmediatoday.com, customers are 2.6 times more likely to complete a transaction after seeing a brand's video on Pinterest. AgilityPR.com says social media video helps 93% of marketers get new customers. Now, in addition, people are 4 times more likely to share a short form clip than any other video format. Now, what does this mean for your business? It means that there is a greater chance for profit when you invest your time, your money, and your energy in TikTok videos, YouTube Shorts, or Facebook or Instagram Reels. Short form video content offers more opportunities for you to reach your target audience, sell your products and services, and attract new customers to your business. Of course, it still depends on the content you produce, but if done right, then you will reap the benefits. Efficient repurposing of content. TikTok videos, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels. What do they have in common? The specs of their videos are the same. it needs to be in a 9:16 aspect ratio or 1080 by 920 pixels for all the design geeks like me. And it has to be within 60 seconds or less. Whatever the content is, it has to fit these specs. So what does this mean to you? You can create one vertical video and upload it to all the channels that welcome short form videos. Places like TikTok videos, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, and Instagram Reels. No need to resize. It's one size fits all. It saves you time, energy, and money, which you can use for other things. And if you're looking for a tool that automatically publishes your short form videos to all your social media channels, try Repurpose.io. Connect your short form sources like TikTok and all the other social media channels. Then create a workflow that brings your short form vertical video clips from one channel to another. For example, whenever you upload your short form videos on TikTok, you can send them directly to another channel like YouTube Shorts or schedule them later. Now, Repurpose.io works with social media channels like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, and Instagram Reels. So, whatever your short form content strategy or social media preference may be, Repurpose.io is the tool of choice. That's repurposing efficiently with Repurpose.io. Try Repurpose.io for free by visiting the link in the description below. These 60-second vertical clips are taking the marketing world by storm. Now is the time to take advantage of this trend and reap the benefits that come with it. I'm Roy Garcia from Repurpose.io. I will see you again next time.